Munini wa Musumbi Prof. Kithure Kindiki Easya Kana Silikali Niminite Kunengane Mbee wa Silingi bilioni 3 Nthini wa Ilungu ya Mwei Umwe Muvitu Kukitana Munyao la Wikumbilite Kundu Kivathukan'yo wa Kenya Vala Silikali Inenganite leu Kiw'u Ndawa na Syindu Ingi kwa ala Makunikite ni Munyao Kindiki Easya Kana Silikali Nikuendeea Kunengane Silingi bilioni 1 kila mwei kutetheesya ala Makunikite ni Munyao aikulia makundi yangi kwiyumilia na kutetheesya Angelina.
Let's be upstanding.
Ainena kavindani kala watongwese kikalo cha 14 cha ene ianda Kivathukan'yo maunduni ma kimaendeleo. Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki ni walesikana ilovia ivanite Kukitana na Munyao Kunengane leu Kiw'u na kuungamia maundu ma uitikwisyo ile ikunikite ni Munyao vamwe na kutetheesya indo.
We have a situation where the need for human and livestock feed is going to be required urgently, and we are planning initially up to July, and then we can assess the situation as we go ahead.
Nukuetekana Silikali ni kwithwe yongela bilioni ingi 4 kila mwei kutetheesya isio isu aimakulia ene nthi maikaithiwe na wia ni kwithwa ni makuvikia kutetheka.
I want to assure every Kenyan that there is no need to panic. This climate-induced situation is something that will affect the country in the short term, but the government has made arrangements to make sure that we provide enough food for all the people of Kenya, and also to save their livestock from dying because of the drought. Towards the end of December, the National Treasury released 2.5 billion Kenya shillings to the Special Programs Department. 2 weeks ago, actually last week, another 3.5 billion shillings was released to the Special Programs Department, bringing the contribution of the Kenyan government in the last 1 month or so on this issue to 6 billion Kenya shillings.
Ingi yunu umewita no kuyene ianda Kivathukan'yo kumikwata ambao Silikali kuikithia kana ni makwata na kuyanesya bilioni ile na ila sithitwe ikosekana kila mwei kuanesya muvango
Kenya has already made the commitment for 4 billion shillings every 30 days, and will review the situation based on the information we receive. I therefore want to assure all the people of Kenya that the government considers the situation as a serious situation, and the government has mobilized all available resources to prevent loss of life and loss of livelihood to the people of Kenya. So we're taking action. There was a bit of delay because of the holiday season, but I think from this week we'll see a lot of action everywhere.
Kavindani kumwana kivilo wanzama ya magavana Ahmed Abdillahi ni wako ule matambi alama ilitemba vikie kuwaswa mituki kusiania mbanga na wasi isione ile ikunikite ni Munyao.
The poor performance of the recent rainy season has resulted in inadequate water recharge, deteriorating rangeland conditions, reduced agricultural production, and increasing humanitarian pressure. While ASAL counties are the most affected, spillover effects are increasingly being felt even in non-ASAL counties through rising food prices, water stress, and in many cases livelihood disruptions.
Gilivotia vilingi wa mauvoni tawa Angelina Mose.